Continue on I-95 south for 42 miles.
Good morning. I have driven down to a national wildlife refuge called Harrison Neck National Wildlife Refuge. I'm on my way to Florida, and I looked for some place to stop to see what I could find, and I'm super excited today because apparently this has the nation's largest breeding colony of the endangered wood stork. It's the only stork that's in North America, and I'm hoping that I can find the breeding pairs because we're in the height of the breeding season for them, and see what we can find. I've got a few pictures of wood storks in the past, but they are amazing birds. They are tall, they're white, and they're called the wood stork because the skin on their heads and their neck literally looks like the bark of a tree. So let's drive into the wildlife refuge and see what we can find. Okay, I have driven around this refuge. I'm on my second time around. And what I found out is that there are some storks here, but they're not yet breeding. They come in a couple of months. Tons and tons of birds. This is really fun. I've seen alligators. I've seen kingfishers. Couldn't remember what they were. I've seen kingfishers and 4 or 5 different kinds of herons, hooded mergansers, just all kinds of fun birds. So I'm gonna walk out here and I'm gonna take you with me and we'll see what we can find. When I was at this other pond and I looked back this way, I could see the storks. They were pretty far away, and I've driven to where they are. I don't know if I'll be able to see them here, but I'm certainly gonna try. So let's go see if we can find them. As photographers, we have this grandiose vision of showing up to a location and everything being just perfect, and the animal or the bird doing something so incredible and capturing it perfectly, perfect focus, sharp, perfect light. And that, of course, very rarely happens. As I walk down this path, I noticed that where the wood storks were nesting, over the years, all of their bird poop had changed everything about the landscape, and there really was nothing going on. So I changed locations, found this armadillo, found some wading birds, and as I sat and pondered my trip and how I did not get exactly what I came there for, I was grateful for the time in the field. I was grateful for the wild animals around me and just being in nature and being able to feel grounded and be part of nature for a few hours. As photographers, we try to get that photo, that one picture that's going to change everything, that's going to make us giddy. And when that doesn't happen, most of you know, we just get out and try again, and we keep trying and we keep going, and we don't let it get us down. So even though it didn't work out the way I wanted, it worked out exactly how it was supposed to. And now I know more, and I'll be able to go back next time better armed to get that photograph that I wanted. So we're on to the next week where I'll try again to get that perfect photograph. If you've gone out and you get frustrated with wildlife photography, know that you're not alone. Know that there is no failure, there is only learning. Every time that you make a mistake, that's okay. Look at it, learn from it, and grow. Pay attention to your shutter speed, your aperture, your ISO. See what's working and what's not working. A camera is just a tool. You are the artist. It's your hobby, it's your art. If you're happy with it, who cares what anybody else thinks? Just keep trying.